just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create this glitter cut crease. So if you're interested in learning how I created this look, then keep on watching. First, I am going to use my Age Rewind concealer to prep my eyes and then using a beauty blender to blend it out. I am going to set my eyes using the transition shade in the Huda Coral Obsessions palette. I will also be using the transition shade as a base, so I'm going to pack on the pigment. Picking up the coral color using a smaller blending brush, I am going to define my crease. Using an eyeshadow brush, I am going to use this pinkish reddish color to start carving out where I want my crease to be. After packing on the color, I am going to use a clean fluffy brush to blend it out. For my cut crease, I will be using the Glamoflauge Hard Candy Concealer and the angled eyeliner brush. To start, I am going to dab some concealer on my eyelids and then open my eyes. This helps me mark where my crease is going to be. Since I have uneven eyelids that folds over, it's very important for me to take my time to carve out the shape that I want. Next, I will be using my finger to blend out the concealer. Using the same pinkish reddish shade, I am going to blend out the concealer and define the outer V. Using a smaller fluffy brush, I am going back into the same pinkish reddish shade to soften up the cut crease. Using a pencil brush, pick up a white matte shade to set the concealer. The one that I am using is from the Too Faced Chocolate palette. For my glitter liner, I will be using the Crystal Silk liner from NYX. Use small short strokes to cut out the crease. This helps to pack the pigment and prevent mistakes. If you do make a mistake like I just did, just use a clean eyeshadow brush to wipe off any excess. I am just packing on more pigment in the outer V to define my eyes even more. Now I am going to draw my eyeliner using a thin angled eyeliner brush from Sigma and a gel liner from L'Oreal. Here I am just filling in my eyeliner using a thicker brush. Today I will be using these lashes from Kiss called Little Black Dress. I personally don't like curling my lashes and putting on mascara. I don't really mind my natural lashes showing because it isn't too noticeable in person unless you're up close and personal. I will be using the same pinkish reddish shade in the palette to define my lower lash line. Last but not least, I will be using a concealer and a beauty blender to clean up the edges. Okay guys, thank you all so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. Bye!